I need your coffee.
I'll bring you under the bed. Oh, like, come on.
Yes, then I spilled a little bit. Good morning. It's probably hot.
No, it's good. Thank you.
Oh yeah, that works so well.
I believe this is the role reversal. I'm the one meant to be holding the camera and you're meant to be holding the vloggers. What? Look at that bomb. Good morning guys, how you going? We are at the Chong village. I have had a coffee and I'm very perked up, but we don't have all the ingredients for Asta's coffee, so we're gonna just go buy her a coffee from the Zarafas here, and then I'm gonna go home and get ready for training because I've got my second week of training. That's gonna be really fun. Kaylee's gonna pick me up at about 8, then we're gonna go pick up Ben, then we're all gonna go off and hit each other with spears. And Asta is gonna, what are you gonna do?
Go to the gym.
Go to gym?
And then go to other doctors.
She's gonna do some drawing as well. You're gonna start Ben's drawing. She's drawing Ben's D&D character. We also ended up doing some grocery shopping. And got some coffee beans from Zarafa, so that we can grind our own coffee. Asta's just waiting for her soy caramel latte. You fancy hipster. And I'm just sitting down having a rest because I had to run. She made me run like 20 meters in tolls. It was terrible. I think I'm dying. I'm back from my training now. Did more stabbing and spear work and moving around, which was good. It was really exhausting though. My shoulders are exhausted because I spent a lot of time holding a sword, spear thing, pokey device in the air. And it's very, very difficult. Eventually your arms just give out. Asta is being a little hidey munchkin. What are you doing? So I'm just laying in bed now having a rest. Asta went to the orthodontist and she went to the gym and she went to shopping. And now we're just gonna lay down for a bit and then we're gonna watch a movie. And that's all we're doing today. I'm exhausted. I got a big blister on my toe because I was wearing socks, but just the blister still came through. So that happened. Yeah. And then tomorrow is gonna be fun as well. I'm gonna do stuff tomorrow. What are you gonna do tomorrow?
Cleaning.
Yay.
And drawing.
Yay. Oh, I can't even hold the camera up. our dinner has just arrived from this new vegan pizza place. Ashley's got a vegan margarita pizza with some calzones for us to share. And I have chicken and pineapple vegan stuff. You excited? Begin.
What do you take your subs then?
Good pizza.
Good pizza. I want us to take you. Good morning, we're just at the gym. Asta made me a coffee as you saw, and I got my drinks ready to go. I think I'm going to do the legs today because I haven't done a leg day in a very long time. You know, you haven't shown the vlog your nails. Show the vlog your nails.
They're cute.
They're cute. So that's what we're doing now. Then we're going to go up Spotlight, get some machine oil and other bits and pieces. We're going to do our groceries and get ourselves ready for the week. I think we're going to the movies tonight. Is that correct?
I don't know yet.
This is my first time doing squats in a long time, so let's see how this goes. That was a good workout because did a lot of stuff. A lot of legs and shoulders, and now they hurt. How's your workout?
Good. We did that for like an hour and a half.
Cool. Yeah, so now we're gonna go shopping and get some stuff. We done got some pieces from Spotlight. What'd you get?
Got some bits.
Some bits and some machine oil. So not a machine. So I got to do some stuff with machine oil. And some pins, scissors,
A zip.
some fabric.
Some satin.
Done a heap of cleaning and hung out some washing. Asta's just prepping all the meals. And she made me a chicken salad sandwich, which I'm about to eat. And then I'm gonna continue cleaning. We're about to head to the gym for the second time because Asta's being really energetic and ridiculous. So we're gonna go to the gym and just do some cardio and stuff. There was a big storm. There was a really big storm that went through Brisbane, and the tree outside of our house snapped in half from the wind, which was pretty crazy. But yeah, Asta's just been sitting here reading her book, which is the Cherub series, which is one we both liked when we were younger, and so she'd just be reading it. And I was playing GTA. And then there was a big crack, and that was the tree. And then we just kept doing what we were doing. So here it ended up here. If you like the vlog, make sure to like and subscribe. It's a bit of a lazy one this weekend because I didn't film my Viking stuff, which I'll get round to one day when Esther comes along and films it for me. Oh, that's it. Bye.